this session we will build basic neural network, and that will be by hand, no coding. We will use dot product, we will learn and just revise, and multiplication, and then linear layer. What is mentioned here? Two vectors same in might joined together without a fight. So we have two vectors 3 and 5 joined together, that means A dot B. So that means 3 into 5 we will get multiply and join together, and we are getting a single guy. Now moving to the next, again here we have a column vector. So first 1 dot 4, so that is term for term they multiply. So 1 dot 4 plus 3 dot 1, so we multiply term for term. Now next, what is mentioned? Sum it all up. So we are adding it. 1 dot 4, that means 4. 3 dot 1, that means 3. So we are summing it up to get a single guy. So what will be the size? 7. So I hope you enjoyed product. And now moving to the matrix multiplication. So let's again understand in the point. A square, it looks this 2 by 2. So here you can see we have a square matrix. Learn to matrix multiply by taking such 2 dot 4, that is first row of first dot first column, first element with first row first element, that is 2 dot 4. Then we have to sum also. So again, first column element with second element of row, that is 2 minus 1. So first we will get 8, then second we will get minus 2. Let's erase and then slightly. So we have 2 dot 4, that will be 8. 2 dot minus 1, you will get minus 2. So 3 dot 4, you will get 12. And 3 dot minus 1, you will get 3. So we are getting square matrix of 2 by 2. Now moving to the next we are moving to the linear tree. That is chapter 3 of Tom's book, and the concept is linear layer. Again, if we read the poetry, here you can see one input of size 5 please. Here we have a size of 3 input, and we are getting the vector 3 and 1. That means there are two samples, person A and B, and then 5 weights and bias, weight at the crease. We have a 3 weights here along with the bias. Then what we have to do with this? Dot the weight vector with input of same size. We have to multiply, or dot product we have to use, and then add the bias to get your price. Price means we are finally reaching at our output. What will be the output? What will our brain decide? What will be the machine decide? That is a very basic neural network concept. Now let's do it by hand. Weight 1 multiplied with element of column X. You can write W1 multiplied with 3 and again W1 multiplied with 1. That means dot product. So now we have to add the bias. Bias here is 1. What will be the result? 2 dot 3. That means 6. Then W1 again multiply with second element of column 2 1. Then next we have a bias of 1. We have 6 plus 2, 8 plus 1, 9. Now we can move to the next W2 multiplied with 3, W2 multiplied with 1. We can take it as common also, W2 with 3 plus 1, that is 4. W2 here is your 3 dot 4, and then adding the negative bias you will get. Now next 4. Now you have a W3 4 dot 3 12, 4 dot 1 4, and positive bias 3. We are getting 12 plus 4, 16 plus 3, 9. We are getting our output Y. In the same way we can do this also. We have 2 dot 3 6 plus dot 1 2, and adding bias of 1 9. So here you will get the 9. B1 here is your 1. W1 here is 2. And our input is vector 3 and 1. W2 is here 3. Bias is minus 1. Let's again calculate 3
प्लेट में रख के
dot
खाओ
3
टेबल पे बैठ के
9. 3 dot 1 bias of minus 1, that means negative bias. We are getting 11. Y2 will be 11. Next, last element 4 dot 3 12. Our weight 3 is 4 and bias is 3. 4 dot 1 and adding the bias 3. We are getting 12 plus 4, 16 plus 3, 19. This is our first single layer neural network. I hope you understand and enjoy. And in the next session, we will do it on the GeoGebra. Bye.